morning, dear children. Today we are going to do a new topic, that is division of large numbers. Now this is the number which is given to you. You have to divide it by 48. This is the number which we write inside, that is called dividend, and the number by which we have to divide, that is called divisor. Now children, 48 is such a big number जिसका आपको टेबल लर्न नहीं है. It is tough for you. So how we will write the table of 48? You can write it on the right side of your notebook. Firstly, you will write the table of 4 and then you will write the table of 8. Now after that, जो ones place पे digits हैं 8, 6, 4, that you will write as it is. अब आप 8, 6, then 4, then it is 2, then 0, then 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. अब हमने वंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट्स लिख ली. अब आप इसको चाहे क्रॉस कर दो, अब हमें इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. यस. नाउ आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट द रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स. हियर इट इज 4, यू विल राइट योर 4. नाउ 8 प्लस 1 9. अब जो रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स हैं वो आपने प्लस करके लिखनी है. 12 प्लस 2 14, 16 plus 3 19, 20 plus 4 24, 24 plus 4 28, 28 plus 5 33, 32 plus 6 38, 36 plus 7 43, and 40 plus 8 48. With this we have written the table of 48. एक बार फिर से देख लो how we have to write the table of 48. आपने पहले 4 का टेबल लिख लेना है. First digit is 4, so you will write the table of 4. The digit at ones place is 8, तो आपने then you have to write the table of 8. अब आपने ones place वाली digits को पहले पीछे लिख लेना है. 8 6 4 2 0 8 6 4 2 0 हमने लिख ली पहले. फिर उसके बाद देन वी डोंट नीड दीज डिजिट्स, हम इसको कट कर देंगे. देन द रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स, अब हम रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स लिखेंगे. यहाँ पे तो 8 हमने कट कर दिया बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन. 4 इज लेफ्ट 4. देन 8 प्लस 1 9, 12 प्लस 2 14, 16 प्लस 3 19, 20 प्लस 4 24, 24 प्लस 4 28, 28 plus 5 33, 32 plus 6 38, 36 plus 7 43, and 40 plus 8 48. Like this we have written the table of 48. Now let's do, firstly we will see these two digits, first two digits. Now first two digits are bigger than the divisor. 48 से बड़ी है, so you can see 48 56 से छोटा क्या आ रहा है 48 के टेबल में 48. So you will write here 48 1 the 48. Yes. Now 16 minus 8 8, 4 minus 4 0. Now 8 is less than 48, so you will bring this 8 down. Now 88 से छोटा क्या है 88 से छोटा you can see in the table it is again 48, so you will write here 1 then 48. Then you will subtract it. 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 4 4. Now you will bring this 3 down because 40 is less than 48. Now 403. अब आप ये देखो 403 से छोटा क्या आ रहा है this 384. Where it is coming? 48 के टेबल में 384 कहाँ पे आ रहा है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you will write here 8. Now 13 minus 4 it is 9. Now 19 is again less than 48, so you will bring this 9 down. 199. Now 199 से छोटा क्या आ रहा है 192. It is coming at 1 2 3 4. So you will write here 4. 9 minus 2 it is 7. 0 and 0. Now 7 is again less than 48. You will bring this 72 down. Now 48 72 से छोटा क्या आ रहा है 48 के टेबल में, that is 48 only. So you will write here 1. So 48. 12 minus 8 4. 6 minus 4 2. So 24. 24 is again less than 48. So this is our remainder. And this is our quotient. Now next thing is how you can check your answer, whether your answer is correct or not. So the method is, the formula to check whether the division is correct or not, it is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula by which we can check. अगर हमारा डिवाइजर को मल्टीप्लाई करके क्वोशिएंट के साथ और हम रिमाइंडर को प्लस कर देते हैं, that is equal to dividend, it means our answer is correct. Now in previous question what we have seen, what was the divisor 48 and what was the quotient 11841, remainder was 24. Now you multiply 48 and 11841, you will get 568366. Then you will add this 24, तो आपके पास डिविडेंड के इक्वली आ जाएगा आंसर, that is 568392. It means our answer is correct. अगर now let's do one more part based on division of large numbers. It is given to you dividend, this is dividend, you have to divide it by divisor 200. आपको 200 का टेबल, it is very easy children, how to write the table of 200. आपने पहले फर्स्ट डिजिट लिख ली, इसका टेबल लिख लिया, 2 is there, 2 का टेबल लिख लिया, then how many zeros are there 2, so you will put 2 zeros after this. 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1400, 1600, 1800 and 2000. Like this we have written the table of 200. Now this is 200 and we have to take 3 digits. Yes, 567. 567 is not coming in the table of 200. So what is smaller than 567? It is 400. So you will write here 200 to the 400. 7, 6, 1. Now 167 is again smaller than 200. So you will bring this 2 down. Now what is smaller than this 1672? It is 1600. So you will write here 8 and 1600. So what is there? 7200. You will write, bring this 0 down because 72 is smaller than 200. Now 720. What is smaller than 720? It is 600. 120. 120 is again smaller than 200. So you will bring this 9 down. So 1200. 206 the 1200. So now 9 is remainder and this is quotient. Now how to check your answer? Again, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor here? Divisor is 200 multiply by quotient 2836 and then remainder. Yes, how you will multiply 2836 को 2 से करो, then you can put how much zeros there. How we will write 2823 2836 multiply by 2, 6 to the 12, 6, 7, 16, 5, 6, 7, 2. Then you can plus it 567209 and this is our dividend. As you can see here 567209, it means our answer is correct. Hope you understand. The next topic, division by 10, 100 and 1000. If a number is given to you and you have to divide it by 10, 100 and 1000 and find the quotient and remainder. So how you will do it? It is just a matter of seconds. You don't have to divide this whole number by 10, 100 or 1000. Just see how many digits are, how many zeros are there in this 1. So last digit will be remainder. This will be remainder and the rest whole will be quotient. 7, 8, 6, 3. this is our quotient. Yes. Now again, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So last के 2 digits will be remainder. It will be 36 and rest will be quotient 786. Similarly, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So last 3 digits will be remainder 636 and remaining will be quotient. To fill in the blanks based on the properties of division which we have discussed in our previous video. Now first part is 1891621 divided by dash that the result will same. ऐसे कौन से नंबर से हम डिवाइड करें इसको कि हमारे पास सेम नंबर आ जाए. जैसे 5 को हम किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें कि हमारे पास सेम ही आ जाए. Yes, 5 divided by 1. So here the result will be 1. Now 11111 को किससे डिवाइड करें कि हमारे पास आंसर वही आ जाए. As we have done this property, जब हम एक नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं, if the number is divided by itself, the result is 1. So here you will write 11111. Now any number divided by 0, the result is 0. Then next is 281176. Again ऐसे कौन से नंबर से डिवाइड करें कि हमारे पास 1 ही आ जाए. If I divide 5 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करूं कि मेरे पास 1 ही आ जाए. 5 को 5 से करेंगे. तो similarly this number has to be divided by itself. So the result will be 1.